Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my fourth part of this pattern. I hope you are enjoying my all parts of this pattern. That's why you are in this part also. Okay, so let's begin this part. So we have completed our 23 rounds in the last part 3. So in this fourth part, we will start from the 24th round, and definitely we will complete this pattern in this video. So let's begin. In last round, we did three fans of 4 double crochets in a leaf like this. Okay. In 24th round, just joined with a single crochet and came into the middle of this fan and make 3 chains, okay, and 3 double crochets in this space or in the middle of this fan as we are doing in this pattern. Okay, I have made a fan of 4 double crochets. Now chain 1. Okay, after chain 1, in the second fan, in the middle of this fan, we will make a fan of 8 double crochets like this. Okay, so make 8 double crochets fan in the middle of this fan. Four, 5, 6 and 7, sorry, 8 double crochets. After that, make 1 chain and a fan of 4 double crochets. After this, make 1 chain, a fan of 4 double crochet. This will go same in the end of this pattern. Okay, now chain 1 and repeat this procedure to make this leaf. Chain 1, 4 double crochets fan, chain 1, 8 double crochets fan, chain 1, 4 double crochets fan, like this. Chain 1 and 4 double crochets fan. Okay, I just repeat the same pattern here. Okay, after this, now make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skip first double crochet, and from the second double crochet make 4 double crochets, continue 4 double crochets in every chain. Like this. Okay, now 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again a fan of 4 double crochet, and after this fan we'll make 1 chain and repeat the same pattern to make these leaves here, and like this we will complete our 24th round like this. Okay, I have completed my 24th round. Now in 25th round, I just made a fan of 4 double crochet. This is my starting fan. Now chain 1 again, and we have 8 double crochets fan. Now we will make 9 double crochets like this. So after 1 chain, make 9 double crochets, 1, 2, I believe now you all get this pattern very well, so you will understand very easily now. the pattern, but I will tell you about every round definitely with the same description. And the last ninth in this, in the last chain. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. We have 9 double crochets on 8 double crochets fan. Now chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochets here, like this. After this fan, now chain 2. Now make a fan of 4 double crochets. After this fan, make 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet. After this, repeat the same pattern of this leaf here. Chain 1, 9 double crochets on these 8 double crochets, chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochets and chain 2. Okay, after this leaf, I made 2 chains and a fan of 4 double crochets. Okay, after this, now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Skip first double crochet, and from the second double crochet or chain make double crochet and make 3 double crochets. Continue like this. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 double crochets fan. Chain 2 and repeat the same pattern to complete our this round. Okay, I have completed my 25th round. In 26th round, I made just our first fan of 4 double crochets. After this, we'll make 1 chain and again repeat the same exact 25th round. We'll make 9 double crochets on 9 double crochets with chain 1. After 9 double crochets, chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochet, after this make 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet. Okay, chain 2 and repeat the same leaf here. After these leaves, make 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet, now chain 3, 1, skip first double crochet and make 2 double crochets and 3 chains, 4 double crochets fan, and repeat the same pattern to complete our this 26th round also. Okay, I have completed my 26th round. As you can see, okay, in 27th round, I just came in the middle of this fan and I made 3 double crochet with 3 chains, and this is 4 double crochets fan. After this, again make 1 chain and skip first double crochet, and from the second double crochet start to make double crochets and make double crochets. Continue. After double crochets, make 1 chain, a fan of 4 double crochet in the middle of this fan. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, a fan of 4 double crochet, 2 chains and a fan of 4 double crochet. And now repeat the same pattern to complete this leaf only. Chain 1, skip first double crochet, double crochets, continue, chain 1 and a fan of 4 double crochet. Okay, after these 2 leaves, make 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and make a fan of 4 double crochet in the middle of these 2 double crochets like this. Three and 4. Now 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet, and now 2 chains and fan of 4 double crochet, and repeat the same pattern here. From here to here we will repeat the same process to make this round. Okay, I have completed my 27th round. Now I'm starting my 28th round like always, as I'm starting in my pattern. So in this pattern I will again repeat the same chains, chain 1 and skip first double crochet, and from the second double crochet I will make crochets. Continue. Three, 4, okay, sorry, 7 double crochets. Continue. Yes, 7 double crochets and chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochet, and chain 1, fan of 4 double crochet, chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochet, and again chain 1 and skip first double crochet, make 7 double crochets. Continue, chain 1 and 4 double crochets, fan like this. Okay, after these 2 leaves make 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet, and now make 2 chains and a fan of 4 double crochet, 2 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, and now again 2 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet. Like this we will repeat the same process to complete this round, and we will complete this round also. Okay, I have completed my 28th round also. Let me show you my dolly. Here we have completed our 28th round. Now in 29th round, make first fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip first double crochet and make 6 double crochets. Continue 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 2, a fan of 4 double crochet, chain 1, fan of 4 double crochet, chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 2 as we have done in this leaf, so we will do the same. Chain 2, skip first double crochet, make 6 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 fan of 4 double crochet. Okay, after these 2 leaves, now chain 2, 1, 2, fan of 4 double crochet, chain 2, fan of 4 double crochet, chain 2, fan of 4 double crochet, and now chain 2, fan of 4 double crochet, and now repeat the same pattern. Chain 2, skip first double crochet, 6 double crochets. Continue, chain 2 and fan of 4 double crochet like this. Now in this round, 5 fan of 4 double crochets with 2 chains, then 2 leaves are going on. Like this we will complete our 29th round also. Okay, I have completed my 29th row. Okay, in 30th row, in this round we will make 3 chains and skip first double crochet, and from the second double crochet we will make 5 double crochets. Continue 5 double crochet in every chain and make 5 double crochets. Now 3 chains, a fan of 4 double crochet, now chain 1, a fan of 4 double crochet, chain 1 and 4 double crochet. Okay, I have just made 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 4 double crochets fan, 1 chain, 4 double crochets fan. Okay, now in this leaf we'll repeat the same. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip first double crochet, from the second double crochet start to make double crochets in every chain and make 5 double crochets. Continue 4 and 5, 3 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, now make 1 chain and make 4 fans of 4 double crochet with 1 chain. I am making 4 fans of double crochet of 4 double crochets with 1 chain, 1 chain, 1 chain, 1 chain and fan. Okay, I have just made 5 fans of 4 double crochet with 1 chain. Okay, after this we will repeat the same pattern. Here we will make 3 chains, skip first double crochet, we'll make 5 double crochets in every chain, 3 chains and 3 fans with 1 chain, again 3 chains, skip first double crochet and 5 double crochets, 3 chains and 5 fans with 1 chain. Like this we will complete our 30th round. Okay, I have completed my 30th round also. In 31st round I have just made a fan of 4 double crochets, and now again make 3 chains, skip first double crochet and make 4 double crochets, continue, four and 3 chains and a fan of 4 double crochet. After this make 1 chain, a fan of 4 double crochet, and now chain 1 and 4 double crochets fan. Now make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and again skip first double crochet and make 4 double crochets, continue, three chains, 1 2 3, and now 4 double crochets fan, chain 1, 4 double crochets fan. Now chain 2. In these 5 fans we will make now in this round 2 chains here, 2 chains here and 2 chains here, and then 1 chain and 3 chains as we are doing in this pattern. Okay, after 2 fans I have made 2 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, 2 chains, and now fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 1, fan of 4 double crochets, and now 3 chains and skip first double crochet, we'll make 4 double crochets, continue, 3 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, 1 chain, fan of 4 double crochet, 1 chain, fan of 4 double crochet. But here we'll make 2 chains here and here. We have 5 fans. In center fan we will make 2 chains in this round. This is my 31st round and we'll complete this round also. Okay, I have completed my 31st round. In 32nd round make 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, skip first double crochet and make 3 double crochets, continue, 1 2 and 3, make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4, and then make a fan of 4 double crochet. Now make 2 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, make 2 chains, fan of 4 double crochet. Now make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4, skip first double crochet and make 3 double crochets, continue again, four chains, a fan of 4 double crochet. Now 2 chains, 1 2, fan of 4 double crochet. In this round we'll make all fans with 2 chains, and here I decreased also 1 chain. We'll make all fans with 2 chains, after that 4 chains and skip first double crochet and make 3 double crochets, continue, 4 chains and again fans with 2 chains, and like this we will complete our this round also. Okay, I have completed my 32nd round, and in 33rd round I am completing this pattern. Now I will make, this is my last round before boundary. I have just made first fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 3, 1 1 2 3, and make a fan of 4 double crochet in the middle chain. 1 2 3 and 4, like this. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, and a fan of 4 double crochet. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, fan of 4 double crochet, and now chain 3, fan of 4 double crochet. Now again 3 chains, fan of 4 double crochet, 3 chains, fan of 4 double crochet. In this round we will complete this pattern with 3 chains and fan of 4 double crochet. We will make everywhere fans with 3 chains. Okay, I have completed this round also. This is my last round of this pattern. Now we will have to give it a boundary. Look how. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the first chain, second double crochet, skip the next chain, and in the next chain make 1 double crochet and make 3 double crochets here, like this. We will make a double crochet is basic line, or double crochet in every chain. Only we will skip in 4 double crochets 1 chain. We will skip 1 chain in these 4 double crochets. Skip this third chain, and in this fourth chain make 1 double crochet and 3 double crochet in this space. Like this we will have a boundary of double crochets. If you are saying that it's begin to being so little tight, so you can make double crochet in every chain. Don't skip the chains and make double crochet in every chain, like this. Okay, and last we will join with a slip stitch, like this. And this round is also completed now. Okay, now it's time to round border. You can make any round border which is you like most. Chain 1, after 3 chains I'm making double crochet in the same space. 3 4 5 and 6. After 6 double crochet, skip 3 chains or 3 double crochets in the next space, make a single crochet, like this. See again, skip 3 double crochet in this space, make 6 double crochets in the same space. You can make 7 double crochets also. And after this, skip 3 double crochet in this space, make a single crochet, like this. Like this we have completed our pattern. As you can see, finally we have completed our dolly. So I hope you like this videos and all parts my video. So please don't forget to give a like my video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.